at this point to make a postseason push, but obviously you need a healthy, productive George Springer. We saw what he did last time he came back, right? And just started hitting the cover off the ball, added an entirely new dimension to the lineup. They need him to come back and do something.
Well, the hope is, too, is like it's contagious, right? Like George gets back in the lineup, starts hitting the ball, the rest of these guys can as well. I understand the point that Shai's making against the White Sox rotation and their pen.
As you said, the bullpen is exceptional as well. So understandable slightly why the Jays bats have been struggling a little bit. And even after they move on, though, and play another team, you still need that boost that George Springer gives you at the top of the lineup.
Marcus and Gibson said this in, and Jimmy, I want to get your thoughts on it too, because we do know that the Jays, they ended up with the biggest contract they ever had.